Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiara, and on today's video we're going to be doing a recreation of an old look I did on my Instagram. It's this half cut crease using only the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I really liked how it came out and I hope you guys will enjoy it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep watching and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I hope you guys enjoy and just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is what I got so far. I did my base, I did this eye, so we're gonna do this eye together. And I decided to do it this way because I didn't want the video to be too long, because I'm noticing that my videos are very long and a lot of people aren't watching them, which I completely understand. So I'm trying to make this video under 10 minutes and hopefully I succeeded. So the palette that I'm going to be using is the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and that's the only palette I'm going to use. This is a recreation of one of my old looks, so I'll put the picture up on the screen somewhere. And yeah, so let's get started. One mistake I did just now when I did this is I did the pink, then the orange, then the yellow, and then the purple. I think it's better to do the purple, then the pink, then the orange, then the yellow, because the purple isn't as vibrant as I want it to, and which means that these eyes might not match, but I'm gonna do it that way because that is the right way and that's the way I should have done it. This is a Anastasia double-sided brush. It comes in their palettes and I really like this brush. This brush is very underrated. I don't know why people don't like this brush, but this brush is the GOAT. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some of that purple, and I don't want to go too high on my eye, so I'm gonna go just on my crease. And you always want to pack them blend. Pack them, guys. Okay, so now that we've got that pretty much down, I'm going to take this Morphe M518 brush and I'm going to use the pink and I'm going to blend out on top of it. Okay, so once I have that blended pretty well to what I want it to be, I'm going to take the same Anastasia the same Anastasia brush, but I'm going to use the flat side, and I'm going to take the orange and pack that on above the pink. And now that I've done that, you can see that the orange went over the pink, so I'm just going to use that same brush, take a little bit of the pink shadow and blend that out so that it all blends together. And now that that's done, the last color we're going to be using is the yellow. So I don't even remember what brush. I think it was, oh, it was this brush. This is another, this is the M441 from Morphe, and it's kind of big, but I'm going to use it because I used it for this eye. And yeah, so I'm going to use the yellow and blend that above the orange. Okay, so now that I've done that, as you can see, the purple is very much faded, so I'm just going to go back in and re-intensify that, and we should be good with the shadows. Okay, so that looks all good. As you can see, this eye looks completely different from this eye, but honestly I don't care. I still love how it looks so far, and I'm gonna try to make it work so that they look at least a little more similar. So now I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm gonna use my Anastasia number 18 brush, and I'm gonna cut the crease, and I'm going to be doing a half cut crease. And the concealer I'm going to be using is the Wet n Wild Light Ivory. I really love using this one for when I'm using like really colors that need to be really bright, such as neon pigment. So I'm going to use this and cut my crease. Okay, so I cut the crease, tried to get it as similar to this eye as I could, and I think it looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is blend out this outer shadow with the purple that we used. There's already a little bit of purple on there, so I'm not even going to add any more because I don't want it to get too muddy. So I'm just going to blend that out so it's not such a harsh line. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to take my neon stack from MYO Cosmetics. I will leave a link down below. And I'm just going to take this bright orange. I want it to spill. I'm going to take this bright orange. It is the 1, 2, 3, it's the fourth one down, and I'm going to take it on a packer brush. This one, which is really thin, I got this from a set on Amazon. I will link this also down below. So all I'm gonna do is pack the neon shadow onto where I cut my crease. Okay, so it ended up looking like this, and not at all similar to this, but it's okay because I can just cover it up with the gold flakes I'm going to use. I'm just going to take a little bit of the purple on the packet brush and just blend this top part because it's way too out. So I can clearly tell that this one is, the way I cut my crease on this side is much smaller than the one on this side. What can you do? But one tip I have for when you're using neon pigments is make sure you pack it like really good, like pack it on really well, because I noticed I wasn't packing it that much and I was about to stop, but then I saw that it was like powdery, like it was, you could still see it as a powder instead of it being packed on like a shadow. So now we're gonna do the gold flakes. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say. And for this, I like to use lash glue, and I'm deciding to use this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive because I find this better. And I'm going to use this really teeny tiny paintbrush that I got from Michael's. I'm pretty sure this is an Artist Loft brush. I take the lash glue on the paintbrush and just paint it right where the pigment meets the purple. So just be careful not to get this on your lashes because it's gonna make a mess. And this is where you need to like start going fast. So taking some pieces that I already had from the other eye, I'm just gonna place them. Okay, so it's gonna end up looking like this. Now I'm gonna do lashes, and I'm gonna take my tried and true, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm gonna coat my lashes in this. Then we're gonna apply some falsies. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna do lashes, and I have these Aliexpress lashes that I think I'm gonna use. They're very pretty. These are the 117. I'm gonna put those down below, and I'm gonna do my lashes, and we'll do the bottom, the under eye, we'll do lips, and then we'll be okay. So I applied the lashes, and I'm really liking it. Next, I'm gonna do the under eye. And I think I'm just gonna use purple and the pink. I'm not gonna use orange because there's a lot of orange in this look already. Okay, well it didn't come out the way I wanted it to, so it just looks like there's purple with a little pink on the outside, which is fine. I'm going to do highlighter, and first I'm gonna spray my face again. And while that's still wet, I'm gonna take my Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia, and I'm going to use the color Spectra. Underneath that, I'm gonna use this Hello Halo highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is like the same kind of highlighter as the one in the Aurora Glow Kit. It's a purpley, pinky, iridescent highlighter. So I'm gonna use this as a base and then put that that one on afterwards to make it pop. And I'm gonna put it on my inner corners. So I'm going to take this, another BH Cosmetics brush, which is another like pencil brush, and I like using this for when I do inner corner. I'm gonna do that, and I'm actually gonna spray this for my inner corner. So I think I'm just gonna do a gloss. So I have this gloss from Winky Lux. It's called Unicorn Tears, and it's this purpley gloss, and it's very pretty, and I think I'm just gonna use that on my lip. And lastly, just going to use the same mascara, put it on my bottom lashes, and we should be done. Okay guys, so this is how the finished look came out. I decided to put some of that purple highlighter on my body. Kind of looks weird, I don't know, we'll see. You guys let me know what you think about this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.